We are looking at a day of records in India's financial markets. The rupee has hit a fresh record low, while gold and silver prices have skyrocketed to new life highs. Let's break it down for you. On Monday, the Indian rupee slipped to an intraday low of 88.33 against the US dollar. However, by the end of the day, it recovered slightly to close at 88.20 per dollar, the same as its previous close. This decline marked the rupee's fourth consecutive monthly fall. In August alone, it lost about 0.7%. Year to date, the rupee has weakened around 3%, making it the worst performing Asian currency right now. Now, what's driving this slide? First, higher US tariffs on Indian goods are creating pressure, hurting India's export competitiveness. Second, foreign investors have been selling Indian stocks aggressively. Since August 1st, they have net sold stocks worth nearly rupees 40,000 crore. Third, uncertainty in global trade has made importers cautious, reducing the flow of dollars into the economy. Some traders believe that the Reserve Bank of India has allowed the rupee to weaken, considering the tariff-related challenges on the trade front. Economists warn that this weakness could hurt India's economy in multiple ways. Lower exports will affect corporate earnings. The trade balance could worsen. Overall, the broader growth outlook may suffer if outflows and weak exports continue. While the rupee is under pressure, gold and silver are shining brighter than ever. On the MCX multi-commodity exchange, gold futures for October delivery nearly touched rupees 1.06 lakh per 10 grams, an all-time high. Silver futures for December delivery were close to rupees 1.25 lakh per kilogram, also a record level. In the international market, gold hit a fresh high of around $3,500 per ounce. Silver climbed about $41.5 per ounce, a level not seen in 14 years. There are two major reasons: global rate cut expectations. Market expect that the US Federal Reserve may cut interest rates. Lower interest rates usually push investors towards safe haven assets like gold and silver. Weak US dollar globally. The US dollar is under pressure, partly due to political developments. Analysts say investors are worried about Donald Trump's historic attempt to oust a Federal Reserve governor, raising concerns about the independence of the central bank. As Renisha of Augmont explains, demand for safe havens has increased because of fears about the Fed losing its authority. A weak dollar usually boosts demand for gold and silver because both are priced in dollars. When the dollars falls, they became cheaper for buyers holding other major currencies, pushing prices up further. To sum up, Monday turned into a day of extremes. The rupee hit a record low, reflecting trade worries, foreign outflows and tariff tensions. At the same time, gold and silver soared to all-time highs, driven by safe haven demand and a weakening dollar. Investors will now be watching closely for policy moves by the US Federal Reserve, the Reserve Bank of India, and any new developments in the tariff battle between India and the US. Stay tuned, we'll continue to track the story for you.